Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the most useful AI website for creator and business owners. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful resources like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you are a business owner or content creators or students, consider to visit this particular website right here, tinywood.com. Tinywood.com is a website that offers a lot of different tools all for free. When you get to the site, you can simply scroll down and then see different types of free tools that you can use to grow your business, and it is all for free. If you are a student, different types of tools here for you to do your project as the case may be. What you need to do is to simply scroll down. Now, in the section right here, there are PDF tool section, video tool section, image tool section, convert tool section, other tool section, and AI writing and what have you. You can simply scroll down and see more and more, just like so. You can also click on all tools right here. This allows you to see all available free tools that you can simply use all for free on this particular tinywood.com. So just like so, you can simply scroll down and see all tools: essay writing tool AI, content improver AI, paragraph writer AI, image generator AI, background remove, PDF edit, PDF to JPEG. You can scroll down and see more as far as this website is concerned. There are a lot of tools here. What you need to do is to simply head over to any of the tools that you're interested, then you are good to go. This is a business slogan generation tool that you can use to get a business name slogan for your business. And also, if you are a TikToker, this is a tool for you to create a free AI TikTok script. It's as simple as that. Then title generation and so on and so forth. You can also come to the top right here under the file section. In the file section here, whereby you can use this section to convert from one file to another file, all for free. The video section right here, this allows you to do whatever you want to do as far as video conversion and video editing is concerned. You can see MP4 to MP3, trim video, video to GIF, compressed video file, audio to text, etc. There are a lot here that you can simply explore. Then written at the top right here, this is all written tools section right here, and this is all image section at the top right here, and this is all PDF section at the top right here. So this is one of the best and great tool for every content creator and business owner that you need to know right now. I hope you really got value for these tools and you find this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more free useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you